Today we are going to see about study table organizing ideas. So let's begin the video. The first step is to take a tissue paper or an old cloth and wipe the study table nicely so that the dust in it will go off. The next step is to choose a bedsheet of your choice and spread it on the table. I have folded the bedsheet into two and then I have spread it on the table. The last but not the least is to start arranging your things on the table. The first thing I am going to arrange on this table is the doll. This doll I am going to place it in one corner of the table. And the next is to keep your books like this on the doll. Here I am keeping all my books like this, as if the doll is holding these books. Next thing is I am going to arrange a pencil box. This pencil box is yellow in color and I am going to place a scale like this and 2 pens, 1 pencil, 1 sharpener, 1 eraser and 1 neon eraser like this. I am going to take this pencil box and keep it near the books we arranged like this. The next thing I have done is a thing which is familiar to the pen stand which we have done in the previous videos. This I have put some 4 to 5 layers like this and inside I have put some clips, paper clips like this, and I'm going to keep it near the doll's leg like this. So this made me neat. The next thing I have done is taken a lamp like this which is colorful. It's too colorful. It's too nice and I'm going to place it in this corner of the table. And our work is over. The next thing, which is the last thing I have done, is taken a stool like this and placed it near the table, which is our study table, and I have kept a round pillow on this stool. This is totally optional and I have kept this round pillow because it should be comfortable when you sit. Now your study table organizing ideas ready. Hope you like this video. Be updated with us. Thank you.